Welcome to another lesson by yourtechvision.com, and today I'm going to go over the Apex. And we're going to just start out with the basics of what you need to know. First, if it's facing you, that means the thumb keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, are facing you. The Braille display comes next. Then you have your router keys, space bar, 1, 2, 3, backspace on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 4, 5, 6, enter is on the right-hand side. And then we have your scroll wheel, which will be in later lessons. So you want a nice comfortable positioning, palms up, because if you have dirty palms and they're rubbing against the Braille display, they're going to get them dirty and you're going to have problems with that. Your rocker switch to turn it on is on the left-hand side, so let's show you that. And it is a nice little rocker switch all the way in the back. You also have your earplug settings that you will need, and then you've got your record button toward the front. So let's go ahead and turn on the Braille note, which I'm going to do.
Main menu.
And it's on main menu. Now if you want to go through your options of Braille on, Braille off, and so forth, hit your first thumb key and your space bar.
Speech on request.
There's speech on request. Do it again. There's speech off, and if you read it, it says speech off.
Speech on.
And speech on. Kids accidentally turn that off, and if they don't know that command, of course the teacher and the child sits there and they have no audio feedback. So if you want to change your rate and pitch, always remember everything to the left goes down, everything to the right on your keys goes up. So I'm going to hold down my enter and hit .4.
Volume 28.
There's volume 28.
Volume 29.
And I continue to hold the enter key with my pinky and just keep hitting.
Volume 30. Volume 31. Volume 32. Volume
And that's
32.
as high as it goes. Now the reverse, of course, is true. So 4 and 1 are the opposite of each other. So if I continue to hold my enter and hit .1,
Volume 31. Volume
it
30.
goes down.
Volume 29.
Now let's go ahead and go to .2 and .5. So first we're going to decrease.
Pitch 6.
There's the pitch.
Pitch 5. Pitch 4.
Now we're going to increase with .5.
Pitch 5. Pitch 6.
Great. And now we're going to go to our rate. So we're going to do 3 and 6.
Rate 8. Rate 7. Rate 6.
Now we're going to decrease.
Rate 7. Rate 8.
Okay? And so choose the rate that you want.
Rate 9.
I'm going to go ahead and put it on 9 and leave it. Okay, so always, whenever you get lost, go back to main menu, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and spacebar.
Main menu.
And I'm back to main menu. So whenever you get lost, go back to main menu. W happens to be the word processor, but let's go ahead and just explore the Braille note. So I'm going to hit my space bar. Hitting my space bar is exactly like hitting my start key on my computer and arrowing up and down through the options. So let's go through our options by hitting the space bar.
Word processor.
Word processor.
Planner.
Planner.
Address list.
Address list.
Email.
Email.
Internet.
Internet.
Chat.
Chat.
Media center.
Media center.
Book reader.
Book reader.
Scientific calculator.
Scientific calculator.
Database manager.
Database manager.
Games.
Games.
File manager.
File manager.
Utilities.
Utilities.
Terminal for screen reader.
Terminal for screen reader. So this can be hooked up to Mac, your iPod, iPhone, any iTool, your PC, and you can actually have your Braille display working all the time for feedback. Now there's more throughout this, but let's go ahead and go backwards. I'm hitting my backspace.
Utilities. File manager.
So it's like hitting your up arrow
Database
back
manager.
through your
Scientific calculator. Book
back
reader.
through your files. So spacebar moves you down, backspace moves you back up through all of your menus. Let's get back home
Main menu.
with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so go ahead and start exploring your Braille note. You also want to take a look at your power cord on the right hand side. There is your AB adapter, and then you've got your cord, your ports in the back, your USB. This is where you're going to put your thumb drive. You've got SD card slots. You have VGAs, and of course you have an actual landline adapter, but this is wireless and Bluetooth, so of course it does wireless and Bluetooth really well also. So go through those options and try those out.